How to edit your reviews on Tripadvisor. Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I will simply guide you through the steps on how you can actually edit a review on Tripadvisor, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So one thing that you have to understand is that reviews cannot be edited. The only thing you can do is you have to delete the review and then simply submit an updated version of the review. So that's the only thing you can do. So just keep in mind it cannot be edited because this is actually set by Tripadvisor themselves. You can delete it, choose to actually go ahead and then re-add the another updated version. So to do this, all you have to do is just open up Tripadvisor here. Once you open the Tripadvisor, you're going to just come to reviews tab. Now over here you'll basically be able to see all of the reviews that you've added. Once you've selected a specific review that you've added, you can just tap on the three dots, tap on delete, and your review will be deleted. Now after you've done that, you can simply submit a new review by tapping the write a review button. Simply enter the name of the property that you would like to review for, and then once you select the name of the property you want to review for, just select them, enter your experience over here. What kind of visit was this? Just tap on next. Make sure to enter your review properly this time, submit your new review, and your review will be updated. And this is the only way to do it. So hope this video helped you. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.